Okay, so we're going to install qemu in Ubuntu Linux. The first thing to do is to open Ubuntu Software Center and typing in qemu. And the version I'm going to choose is the aqemu. There are others there, you can try them if you like, but the one I'm going to install is aqemu. I'll just click install. I'll put in my password. And now it's downloading. Now it's finished downloading, now it's installing. Okay, done. Now running aqemu is just a matter of opening a command, and you can go through the first thing to do is go through this first type wizard, of course, and just follow it through. I'm going to put in use device manager, and I might try the VNC option, but it's not recommended. And the next thing to do is find the emulators you can use. You can go to search, and then go next. I'll put in my home directory as the emulator directory, or you can just leave it blank, I guess. And it's done. Okay, it's installed. And the next thing to do is to create an image, and I'll do that in the next video.